Today, the U.S. Supreme Court upheld state laws that ban transgender athletes from participating on sports teams that align with their gender identities.
One of the cases involved a student from West Virginia. KDKA's Linder breaks down what it means for West Virginia, for Pennsylvania, and the rest of the country.
Our nation's top court ruled that states can ban transgender girls and women from playing on school sports teams, saying laws in West Virginia and Idaho don't violate the Constitution. It was a 6-3 decision along ideological lines. Justice Brett Kavanaugh writing, states may maintain women's and girls' sports for biological females. The Constitution and Title IX do not require an overhaul of women's and girls' sports throughout America. On the other hand, Justice Sonia Sotomayor dissented, saying transgender students shouldn't automatically be shut out of team sports, saying, quote, "We simply do not know scientifically that transgender students pose dangers." Despite this, on a separate question, the 9 justices ruled unanimously that barring transgender girls and women doesn't violate Title IX, which prevents sex discrimination in education. Both states argued their bans are about biology and establishing an even playing field, while the plaintiffs claimed the laws discriminate based on sex and transgender status. J.B. McCuskey is the West Virginia Attorney General.
What the court did today is a great balance in saying that we need to make sure that biological women and girls have a place to play that is fair and safe, but it does not ban transgendered athletes from playing sports. It just bans them from playing sports against people that have inherent biological differences than that.
American Civil Liberties Union lawyer Joshua Block, who argued on behalf of West Virginia student Becky Pepper Jackson, says they knew they had an uphill battle.
The majority ruled that you can discriminate against her even if at the individual level there's no good reason to do so. I think that's wrong, and I think future courts are going to recognize it for the mistake that it is.
Currently, 27 states have laws restricting transgender students from participating in sports. Pennsylvania is not one of them. And despite this ruling, any changes will still be up to the states. That's what Dina Stanley with Trans Uniting in Pittsburgh wants folks to remember in the Commonwealth.
What we have to do as a community is come together because now we have to make sure that our legislators know that we are not going to tolerate any injustices here.
In Pittsburgh, Linder, KDKA-TV News.